Use a polymer-modified thin-set mortar matched to your tile and cement subfloor for the most durable bond. Polymer-modified thin-set mortar offers superior adhesion and flexibility compared with non-modified mixes because polymers increase tensile strength and reduce brittleness. Choose a mortar rated for medium bed or standard thin-set depending on tile size and substrate flatness. For large format tiles, use a medium bed product and back butter each tile to eliminate voids. Mix to the manufacturer specified consistency and follow the open time and pot life guidelines printed on the bag to avoid reduced bond strength from skinning or overworking. Always perform a bond test by troweling a small area and checking for full coverage after bedding a tile, then removing it to inspect the mortar transfer. For substrates with moisture or contaminants, use a moisture-tolerant or rapid-setting thin-set and consider a cementitious primer or slurry bond coat if the manufacturer recommends one. Never use organic mastics for floor installations because mastics lack the shear strength and water resistance needed for foot traffic and will lead to failures over time. Common mistakes include using the wrong mortar class, not achieving full thin-set coverage, and ignoring manufacturer instructions. Using a non-modified or mastic product on a cement floor will often fail, so switch to a polymer-modified thin set that matches tile size and expected loads. Allowing tiles to sit on trowel ridges without back butter leads to hollow spots and eventual cracking, so butter large or uneven tiles and check for full transfer. Skipping the manufacturer recommended cure times for grout and load-in invites premature movement and tile loss, so wait the specified period before heavy traffic or grouting if instructed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like tile installation and adhesive selection by letting us share experiences and local leads. We help creators and service providers find work while offering a discussion community where we exchange product tips, installer recommendations, and real-world troubleshooting.